Hello students, welcome to my channel MacTech and I am Engineer Sachin and today we are going to discuss important topics for the university examination. So let's start. Hello students, today we are going to discuss important topic for the university examination and we are going to start from the very first subject, that is engineering mechanics. So let's discuss some important topics from the engineering mechanics and now we are going to start from the first unit. Right, let's start. From unit first, the very high probability questions are discussed here. First, the high probability question is numerical on law of parallelogram. A question numerical on the law of parallelogram is very high probability question. And the second question on classification of system of forces, it is also very important. Transmissibility of force, Varignon theorem with proof. Varignon theorem is very important. So never miss this concept. Varignon theorem. It is 5-star problem and with proof. Sometimes it asked without proof and sometimes it is asked with proof. Proof is very important. The Varignon's theorem. And another concept is concept of couple. It may be asked for the 2-mark question only. Lebesgue theorem is another important with proof. Lebesgue theorem sometimes asked in the numerical point of view. Another important question is the numerical on the inclined surface motion. It is asked with friction. And one of another important question is the sometimes question will be asked from a sphere put inside a vessel and we have to calculate various contact reactions. Let's start the second unit. In the second unit, important numerical on location of centroid of T section and I section. These two sections are very important, T section and I section. Another important topic is moment of inertia theorems. There are two moment of inertia theorems, the perpendicular axis theorem and the parallel axis theorem. Another important part is numerical on moment of inertia of T section, L section and I section. These three sections are very important to find out the moment of inertia, T section, L section and I section. Very important topic. Numerical will be asked on this topic. Derivation of mass moment of inertia of for sphere and cylinder. These are some important topic from the second unit. Now let's discuss the unit third. In unit third, these are the very high probability questions. First is type of frames. This is very important, types of frames. Another important topic is numerical on truss calculation. It is very important in this problem. It is asked to find out the force in the particular member. Method of joint is very important. It may be asked for the numerical and it may be asked for the statement only. And the procedure. Another important topic is zero force member. This is going to be asked in the numerical point of view. Types of beams, types of supports and types of loading. These are very important for the theory point of view. Now let's discuss the fourth unit. Let's start the fourth unit. In the fourth unit, the important questions are numerical on Newton's equation, integral calculation. Basically, question will come out from the integral calculations only and not on the direct. Projectile motion is very important. The derivation may be asked and the numerical can also be asked. And now another is rotational motion equations are important. Numerical on the rotation of the equation will be asked. Concept of work done, this is important. Impulse momentum equation is very important. Numerical may be asked and the derivation may be asked. Statement is very important. Direct and impact loads. These are the theory based questions, some from this unit. So let's discuss the last unit, that is the fifth unit. And in this unit, the important questions are concept of translation and rotation, instantaneous center and rotation. This is important. Instantaneous center. D'Alembert principle. It is also important, and the various analytic application is also important for the D'Alembert principle. Work energy principle is another important topic. With numerical, sometimes it is asked in the numerical and sometimes it is asked for the theory. Concept of visual work, it is generally asked for theory. It is generally asked for the theory. Law of conservation of energy. Sometimes statement is asked in the university examination. It is 1 star. It is 3 star. And the last, it is basically a theory question. Stability of equilibrium. Right? These are some important topics from all of the 5 units of engineering mechanics. If you do only these important problems, you are going to get a good marks in this year in the university examination of engineering mechanics. Thank you guys.